Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And to those who are new here, my name is MC. I'm into luxury fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing. Don't forget to turn that notification bell on so you won't miss out all the videos I upload. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and start. So guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, I purchased two Zimmermann dresses. You know how much I love Zimmermann, right? They're a Australian brand, and I was able to experience or unbox few pieces in the past, and I'm going to link to that video in the description box below. So hopefully I can do a Zimmermann haul in the future. Now going back to these pieces, at the time when I ordered from Zimmermann directly, there was something wrong with their website, so the transaction didn't push through. And then I tried to find or to search these pieces from other sellers, and I found out that Matches Fashion is one of those sellers who carry the brand. That's why I ordered eventually from them. However, it took me a very long time to receive my package, maybe because of the issue right now where shipments are delayed, you know. So here is the box, and I'm just going to unbox it off cam. I'm not just satisfied or happy with the way they pack the pieces I ordered from them, but it looks like this, and it also came with instructions on how to return one or more articles here. And I don't know what this is. Maybe later I can read what it says. And this one, Matches Fashion, like an envelope. So there's no Zimmermann box here, just packed simply like this, a paper, tissue paper or what. So it says here Matches Fashion, and we hope you enjoy your purchase. And the name Belinda, if you can see it, is written on this area, on this part. So, are you excited to see what I bought? Ta-da! Beautiful. Later guys, I'm going to try this on and how the dresses look like on me. So this Zimmermann dress is called Bonita Floral Print Mini Dress. It's from the Retro Romantic 2020 collection. It's a multicolored mini dress that includes pink, green, yellow, red, and beige. It is crafted from embroidered linen. It's not light, it's heavy actually. It also has a band collar. There you go. This is a band collar, and the decorative buttons here are so beautifully made. This cannot be removed or opened, but they are permanent, and you can wear the dress by opening the zipper at the back. So it has a zipper, concealed zipper. I also love the voluminous blouse on sleeves, and the cuffs are elasticated as well. The belt here is optional, so you can replace it with another belt if you want to, because it is detachable, removable, and there's also a white sleeve here that you can remove if you don't want to wear it, because it's detachable. Very nice. I love this. Now, let me show you the other one. Isn't this pretty? Wow. I like it. This is the wavelength bird and floral print silk mini dress from the SS20 collection of the same name. And it is crafted from silk twill with a stand collar like so. Beautiful. And there are buttons here. You can open it, or you can open some of them when you wear it. Very lightweight, because like I said, this is made of silk twill. And I love the balloon sleeves and pleated hem. It is also decorated with an intricate bird floral pattern or print. I'm not sure if you can see it, but maybe you can check on their website for this. And the tie here is to cinch the silhouette. So by the way, both dresses must be dry cleaned, and that's according to the care instruction. As it is, the prices of these two are very expensive. What makes each one expensive is because of the custom duties and taxes I paid. It costs me around over 100,000 pesos, Philippine currency, of course. So let me show you how these dresses look like on me. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any question or suggestion regarding this, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!